Below the rolling hills here in Western Canada lies a sizable amount of copper and gold. Terrain Metals Corporation is a Canadian mineral exploration and development company focused on developing large-scale mineral deposits with defined resources into operating mines. With their winning team and prime properties, Terrain has the management, financial resources and capital markets expertise to unlock the true potential of these assets and maximise shareholder value, whilst maintaining their commitment to safeguard the environment and enhance the communities in which the company operates.
The company is principally involved with doing a feasibility study on the Mount Milligan project located in north central British Columbia. It's a large copper-gold resource that's seen a large amount of exploration work done over it by predecessor owners over the years, and we're in the process of completing a feasibility study on the project at this point in time. Currently, the resource we have in the ground, which is how much metal that we know is in the ground right now, is what's called measured and indicated resource. So our measured and indicated resource now is about 417 million tons of rock, and the average grade of that rock is about 0.21% copper and about 0.41 grams per ton gold. So that means there's about 1.9 billion pounds of copper in the ground in a measured and indicated category, and about 5.5 million ounces of gold in the ground. We'll recover about 86 or 87% of the copper and perhaps around 73-74% of the gold. We'll have the mine coming into production in 2011. And the mine will produce, on average, a little more than 90 million pounds of copper a year, and in the early years, in excess of 300,000 ounces of gold a year. The gold production is staged such that we produce more gold early on and less later in the mine life, and that's no accident. We've actually planned the operation that way such that we mine some of the gold-rich ores first, and the copper production, though, remains relatively constant at around 90 million pounds per year. We're very committed to making sure that we also enhance the communities that we operate in. We leave the community as a better community. We build capacity. The community actually has more than it did when we leave, and in that sense becomes more sustainable in the longer term. Some simple examples of that are one community that is close to our mine site even when we're still at a feasibility stage. It's a First Nation band that needed some help to get some improvements made to their healthcare facility that they had at their band office. We were able to help contribute to making sure that became a reality and happened. There's a facility that's going to be there that's going to speak to the health and wellness of that band for generations.